Hello and welcome to Jordan Victor YouTube channel. So yesterday I said I'd do a cold start on the Vauxhall Corsa 1.4 turbo. So it's very cold today. Just let that kick in. Yeah, I don't know what temperature is yet. I'll just wait for that. So yeah, let's start up in a minute. Yeah, it's a very cold day today. Start up. Yeah, as you can see, it's ticking over about 1000 RPM. Like I say, it's very cold today. It's 5 degrees and it's 20 past 5 in the morning. So it's really tests the engine and the battery in the first thing in the morning. So yeah, that's all I have to say really. Hope you enjoy this video. I'll try to get another one out. I said I would get 11-minute one out, but let's see what happens. Thank you for watching and goodbye.